Imagine looking at the world and seeing digital things on top of it. You point your phone and a map floats above the road. You wear glasses and glowing arrows show you exactly where to turn next. That is augmented reality, or AR. It is not about escaping reality into a totally digital space. Instead, AR adds helpful, fun, or interesting digital information directly onto the world you already see. It is a powerful tool that mixes the real and the digital, creating a single, enhanced experience that feels both familiar and futuristic all at once. This technology is quickly moving from science fiction to everyday fact. What is AR in simple terms? Think of it as a transparent digital layer. Your phone's camera or a pair of smart glasses acts as your window to the real world. The device then intelligently adds text, images, three-dimensional models, or even sounds on top of that view. These digital items appear to sit on real surfaces like your table, the street ahead. They can move with you, react to your commands, and match the environment you are looking at. AR doesn't replace the world, it augments it, adding a new dimension of information and interaction to your daily life. It is designed to be helpful, not distracting. AR is already here, and you have probably used it without even thinking about it. You see it every day in popular apps on your phone, used for both entertainment and practical tasks. Big retail stores use AR to help customers visualize products in their own homes, bridging the gap between online shopping and physical reality. Schools are beginning to use AR to make complex subjects visual, tangible, and much easier to understand. AR can be as small as a filter on a social app or as complex as smart glasses used by an engineer. They all share one core idea: adding useful digital information to what you see in the real world. The most common place you will find augmented reality today is right in your pocket. Your smartphone is a powerful AR device, equipped with the cameras, sensors, and processing power needed to blend digital content with the real world. Developers have been creating clever AR apps for years. They have become so integrated into our daily routines, we forget the complex tech behind the scenes. These apps range from silly and entertaining to genuinely useful. Practical tools available to billions right now. It is the quiet, creeping revolution of technology. Face filters, puppy ears, futuristic sunglasses, dramatic makeup are a perfect example of everyday AR. The phone's camera identifies your face, tracks your movements in real time, and overlays a 3D mask that moves with you. It seems simple, but it requires sophisticated recognition and rendering to work smoothly. Beyond filters, gaming has been a huge driver for mobile AR. Games turn the entire world into a game board, encouraging players to explore, find, and capture digital creatures. Using GPS for location and the camera for placement, characters appear on the sidewalk or in a park right in front of you. It showed AR's power to create shared, location-based experiences that are social and active, a cultural phenomenon. Translation apps let you point your camera at a sign or menu and see instant translations on your screen. Measurement apps calculate room dimensions or furniture length with surprising accuracy. By layering useful data onto your view, AR saves you time and makes difficult tasks much simpler. These everyday utilities are a clear sign of where the technology is headed. Augmented reality is rapidly transforming hands-on work. Glasses display step-by-step instructions and point to the exact bolt to tighten. A 3D animation shows how to install the new part, hands-free guidance that saves time and reduces error. Remote experts can draw circles and arrows directly into a worker's view and send holographic diagrams, precise, hands-on guidance from anywhere. Education is on the verge of a massive transformation thanks to AR. Students can walk around a beating 3D heart, scale it, and tap parts to learn functions, turning abstract into tangible. On field trips, point a phone at a dinosaur skeleton and see it come to life. History and science made vivid and unforgettable. Games are no longer confined to a screen. They can unfold in your living room, backyard, or across your city. Battle digital monsters that burst through your real walls, or raise a virtual pet that runs around on your actual floor. Live shows layer real-time stats and spectacular effects, creating more immersive spectacles. Instead of a video call, talk to a realistic, life-sized hologram sitting across from you. Play a board game on your coffee table together, even if you are thousands of miles apart. AR is revolutionizing retail by solving the old problem of not being able to try before you buy. See how glasses fit, test lipstick shades, or check a watch on your wrist from home. Place a true-to-scale sofa, walk around it, view from angles, and change fabrics to match your decor. This removes friction, boosts confidence, and reduces returns. Shopping made intuitive and fun. While it seems like magic, AR is a clever combination of cameras, sensors, compute, and software. A camera captures a live feed, the canvas for digital information. Sensors detect motion and depth. Multiple cameras help build a 3D map of your environment. SLAM understands floors, walls, and furniture so digital objects look like they are really there. They can sit on a real table or be hidden behind a real chair. Software tracks the world, renders 3D objects, and composites them onto your video feed in real time. As chips get faster and algorithms get smarter, AR becomes smoother, more realistic, more responsive. Simple AR can run on-device, but complex, persistent, and shared experiences tap the cloud. Devices offload heavy computation to remote servers that stream results back in milliseconds. High-speed 5G, high bandwidth, and low latency unlocks massive multi-user AR worlds far more detailed and interactive than a single device could handle alone. This is how AR scales from cool demos to a living digital layer shared by everyone. The potential benefits of augmented reality are vast and truly exciting. It is about making our lives easier, safer, and more productive, putting the right info in your line of sight. For a tourist, historical facts appear on an old building, context at a glance. AR can display live captions, describe the world with audio, guide around obstacles, and provide step-by-step prompts, empowering independence. Teams across the globe can gather around the same 3D model, point to parts, and adjust in real time, far beyond 2D video calls. Ultimately, the goal of AR is to make technology disappear, so information is just there when needed. Cook with instructions on your counter. Hike with a subtle path illuminated on the trail. The future is bright, but we must address privacy, safety, and fairness. Always-on cameras and sensors could record everything you see, people and private spaces included. That data could be misused for targeting or sold to third parties. We need strong laws, transparent policies, and user control. Overlays can distract in public. Designers must build safety features, disable at speed, clear hazard warnings, and society needs new norms. AR relies on AI. If training data skews, systems fail some users. Developers must prioritize fairness and inclusive testing. We must avoid a fractured, over-commercialized reality, or letting people block out what they dislike entirely. Thoughtful regulation and ethical design should ensure AR enriches our shared reality, not isolates us. Expect a gradual evolution, not an overnight revolution. Phone AR will get smarter, more useful, and more integrated into everyday apps. Glasses will get lighter, more stylish, and more powerful. Moving from enterprise to consumers, the future arrives one useful application at a time. AI will supercharge scene understanding. Fast networks will power persistent, shared AR worlds. Hardware will shrink, eventually as unobtrusive as eyeglasses or even contact lenses. AR blends digital with real, helping people work, learn, and play in new ways. If we get it right, AR won't replace our world. It will add layers of meaning, understanding, and capability. The view is exciting, and the work is just beginning.